All right, let's look at this question we have on the board where we are asked to find the value of x. This is x, this is x. Hence, find the other two angles of the quadrilateral. All right, the other two angles we are asked to find is this place, this angle, and this angle. All right, and from what we have here, we already know the value of this angle, and this angle. This angle is 2x, while here is 97, and this one also, but we didn't know the value of this angle here. All right, so for us to find the value of this angle, we already know that this is x, right? So for us to find here, we do x, we do 180 minus x. So that 180 is the sum of angles on this line. All right, so once we minus this x from that 180, we'll be able to find the value of this place. That means the value of this place is going to be 180 minus x. 180 minus x. So that's what we are going to use in order for us to find the value of x. So once we sum up all these angles inside here, we equate them to 360. That's the sum of angles in a quadrilateral. All right, so let's go ahead and solve it. So we are going to have, adding all these angles, we are having 180 minus x, that's for this one, plus 2x, this one, plus 35, and plus 97 equals to 360 degrees. All right, so what we are going to have here is minus x, right? Once we add it to x, we are going to have x, that's 1x. All right, so we are going to, then we add all these things together, adding the next item, minus x plus 2x plus 180 plus 35 plus 97 equals to 360 degrees. So adding these two, we are going to have x. All right, we are having x because this is minus 1. So minus 1, once you add it to, is going to give us 1. All right, so that one is 1x. All right, so adding these ones together, we are going to have plus 312 equals to 360 degrees. All right, so here let's collect like terms here. We are going to have x equals to 360 minus 312, giving us x as equals to 48 degrees. All right, now we have gotten the value of x, which is the first thing we are asked to find. So what we are asked to find again is this angle here and this angle here. All right, we know that this angle here is 2x, right? So we are adding 2, we are multiplying 2 to the value of our x. So we're going to have 2 times 48, which will give us 96 degrees. All right, so we have gotten the value of this angle from here to here as 96. Okay, so finding this one, we are going to do 180 minus x, and our x is what? 48. 180 minus 48, which is going to give us 132 degrees. Okay, so we have gotten the value of this angle from here to here as 132 degrees. This one is 96 degrees, and the value of our x is 48.